Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create an alarm in this device. For this, open the clock application. So to create a new alarm, tap on the plus button. Then here you can set the time. Okay, and you can if you want to change, if you want to set the alarm name, you can enter the alarm name here. So if you want to change the alarm ringtone, then you can change the alarm ringtone. If you want to if you want the vibration when the alarm ringing, then you can enable this one. If you want snooze, here you can edit the snooze timing also. So here I am going to set the time. Now the time is 8:09 a.m. So here I am going to set the time to 8:10 a.m. Tap on down. Ring in less than 1 minute. Now just wait. You can see the alarm is ringing. You can snooze the alarm from here, otherwise you can stop the alarm. So here I am going to stop the alarm. Tap on stop. So simply the alarm is stopped. So simply in this way you can create an alarm in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.